things you'll regret not packing for a cruise. Small binoculars. A pair of travel binoculars will fit easily in your luggage and will give you a close-up view of your port and landscapes. They're especially great on Alaskan cruises, where you can spot wildlife like bears and whales better. Tons of sunscreen. You can never have too much sunscreen. Dealing with sunburn on vacation is a real bummer, but it's even worse if you have to buy horrifically overpriced sunscreen from the cruise shop. Just pack that extra tube and maybe even stash a couple of travel packs in your bag. Magnetic hooks. Most cruise cabin walls are magnetic. Grab a few cheap magnetic hooks and throw them in your suitcase. You'll be happy to have extra space to organize your tiny cabin, with places to hang wet swimsuits, robes, towels, and lanyards. A magnetic clip can also hold your daily schedule. Motion sickness medicine. Even if you've been on cruises already and don't normally get seasick, it's still good to pack some just in case. Like sunscreen, it can be really overpriced on the ship. It doesn't take up much room, so bring some because you never know what the weather will be like. Chair clips. It can get windy on deck and your cabin balcony. If you plan to dry clothes or towels on your balcony, you'll need to secure them with chair clips or clothespins so they don't blow into the water. They're also great for keeping your towel from blowing off deck chairs. Insect repellent. Not only is extra sunscreen important, but insect repellent is too. There can be lots of biting flies and other things on the beach or in port, especially if you're going to be on shore during the evening. Legs full of mosquito bites are not fun on vacation. Refillable water bottle. Those small cups at the water, tea, and juice dispensers won't cut it, especially if you want to stay hydrated in the sun. Filling up your own bottle means you'll always have a supply on hand, and you'll save on plastic. They even make collapsible water bottles to save space. Cash. Though cruise ships are mostly cash-free now, you will find it very handy in port. Cash is still king in many places, and tipping tour guides or buying from local vendors will often need to be done in cash. Make sure there's some in your wallet, including small bills.